Hi everyone, my name is Fon Andrew and I am an ALX student. This is my final month and in this video I'm going to be showing you what my team was able to come up with for our portfolio project. Our project is a farm to market application which is able to link farmers, consumers and suppliers in one marketplace. It was built with Laravel for API for the server and the front end or client side with Angular. Initially, we had in mind to build a mobile application at the start, but for some constraints, we were able to speed up with the Angular project first. So we're about 90% done with Angular, and most of the functionalities are already working. And we are beginning with the Flutter at the level of authentication. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how the Angular works. I'm going to switch to my Windows. If you currently see, I have the Laravel project here and the Angular project here. So I'm going to start the Laravel with PHP artisan serve, and I'm going to start the Angular with npm start. Right, so when this starts, I am going to then navigate to my browser and be able to access the client side. Now, just to notify you, this application has been hosted on Netlify, the client side, and the backend is already hosted on Heroku as well. So, but I prefer to show you the functionality on my local computer. So, I'll just switch to localhost 4200 where the Angular client side is served. You actually see that the user was logged in. I am going to log out so we see. So this is how our application looks like. It has a landing page that just displays a welcome message and a brief description of what it is. And then you have a list of farm products that have been uploaded to the system and a list of agro inputs. Agro inputs are things like fertilizers, holes, and stuff like that, things that can be used for a farm. Now, a user can search through this, for example, code, and they'll get a feedback of their product. Now, also, but when they click on it, most of the information about it is hidden. They will need to either log in, create account to access the information. So first, I'm going to create an account from scratch, which I am going to use a fake filler Chrome extension, and I'm going to reduce this email because of validations. And yeah, about this, I'm going to set the password to a password that I can remember. Okay, and copy the email, and then I'm going to create an account. So you see my account is created, and if I go to login, I am able to log in. This is the information. If I click on login, you actually see I am redirected to the landing page with Pandora as a fake filler that I use. So you see the landing page. Now you see the products actually have details. The phone number that was hidden is no longer hidden. Now, the next thing is, as a user, you can actually browse through these products, view details, and be able to either call the user of the farm or place an order on this product. So if I want to place an order, I select delivery method, I select payment method and the location where I am so that it can be delivered to me in case I said, okay, I wanted to use a drop, for example. Now, when I click on create, I get order created, right? And if I go to orders, I am able to see my orders that I made. I am also able to cancel an order if it has not been approved by the farm owner yet. Now, as a user as well, I am able to also see list of product. In fact, every user of the system sees list of farm products and list of farm inputs, as well as if you are a user and you want to have a farm on the system as well, you can create your own farm by filling this and also choosing an image for it. When you fill this data and click on create, it creates a farm for you where you can now upload your products. Also, something, our images are uploaded to IMGUR, a server that stores images. We are still looking for a better place. Uh, we tried using another server. I'm trying to think about the name, I've forgotten, and it was giving us some error. So we decided to use this. So when a farm is created, I can now log out, and if I try logging in with the same information, my dashboard changes that I can now view the farm I created, and the farm details are here, right? And I can view the orders from my farm, as well as, you see, no orders from my farm and no orders I have made, as well as I can now create a product for my farm. So if I um, go to products, since I am now a farm owner, you see the add product button. When I click on add product, I have some description. I'm going to use a fake filler as well. And I am able to select a farm because a user can have several farms. Right? Select the name, the description, the price, the farm, and the image of the product I am uploading. So I am just going to upload a sample image here and click on create. Okay, I get unauthenticated. Okay, let me go back to add product, fake filler, select an image and create. So when I create the product, it's a product created. Now, if I go now to my product, you actually see that the product is added. And also, if I come back to the landing page, the product is also added in the list of landing page. Now, another user can also log in now and be able to place an order. For example, as a farmer, I can also place an order on an agro input, which I'm going to uh, just fake fill, and you see order created. And if I go to my orders, you see orders for my farms, there is none, but the orders I have made, you see one here, and you see everything about it. Also, you can as well delete a product, right? You can as well delete, oh, this is a farm. You can as well delete a product that has been created. So you can delete only a product that you created. Other farmers' product you cannot. So if I click on delete, the product is deleted and it's no longer there. So this is how our application works. It basically links farmers, consumers, and suppliers in one place. Farmers are able to create farms and upload their products. Consumers are able to search through these products and create an order or contact the farmer. And suppliers are able to create shops and upload um, supplies for their shops, and farmers are able to place orders on these shops. This is basically how our application works, and there are a lot of things that we still need to update. We need to improve the UI. We need to also add all the functionalities of the application. We just had to make sure that most of the functionalities are working, and that's basically how our application works. Like I said, our application is built with PHP Laravel for the server side uh, API, and the front end or client side is built with TypeScript Angular. And we are currently working on the mobile application, which are at the level of authentication. My team is made up of Fon Andrew Tata, Lukong Ann Machinda, and J. Nicodemus Bacha. Thank you.